Keep it going, Timbo. Keep it going, Timbo. It's all you. It's all you.
Check this out. We are here right now in a unified effort. We need to be together right now. We need to be loud. We need to be known because we're not trying to do this every single day. We're going to make our point right now. We're going to walk to school. We're going to get our fellow classmates one time. Let the message be known. If you're going to be over here right now, be loud and let them know that what you're doing. You want education right now. If you don't care about your education, then please walk away. But if you can, then please stay here. Please support this effort. We're going to get out of here. But guess what? Our brothers and our sisters are coming right back to the school. Right. And we need to pave the way for them. Yeah. All right? We're passionate about this effort. Let's do what we do. We're students here. All right? We need to be having affordable health care. Oh, my bad. We need
that too. We need that too. Drop that beat. Education. Education!